The drill press is primarily used to drill or enlarge a cylindrical hole in a workpiece or part. Before you start using the drill press machine, always grab a pair of safety glasses to protect your eyes while operating the drill press. Hold the button to turn the machine on. Push the button to turn the machine on. Here's a picture of the different types of drill bits. You pick the appropriate drill bit size based on the hole you want in the material. This chart tells you the correct speed you must set on the drill press according to the type and brand of the drill bit you are using, as well as the type of material you are drilling a hole in. On top of the knob and right here, and twist opposite directions. Then you put a different drill bit in, like this one. Place the drill bit in the hole. Make sure the hole is wide enough. Then twist your hands opposite directions. Keep the drill bit. To change the height of the table, turn this knob counterclockwise to loosen the knob. Then, when you have it set to where you want it to, tighten the knob to keep it in place. The number on the screen represents the amount of RPMs the drill bit is spinning. RPMs stand for rotations per minute. To change the speed on the drill press, turn this knob counterclockwise to loosen it, and then change it to the desired speed. And then turn it clockwise to tighten it to set the speed. First, mark the place you want drilled. To change the place of the fence, turn the knobs behind the fence counterclockwise. To secure the place of the fence, turn the knobs clockwise. Use a vacuum tube to keep your station clean.